Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are gonna learn how to use Surge in Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's get started. So you just have to click on the character here, any character that you have, and then you need to scroll down until very bottom. Many people are not able to find him. It's actually in the very bottom part. So just keep scrolling, and as you can see, in the last second line you can see Surge here. So I don't have gems right now, so you need to buy the gems. It will actually take 699 gems. So click on get gems, and as you can see, this is giving me 950 gems. So I will just simply click it, and you can just buy it. And I will just go ahead. So once you have bought gems, you can just simply click on select and buy and play it. Just click on play, and now I will show you how to use him. So this is basically how you can use Surge in Brawl Stars. You just need enough gems, like 699. So you can either buy them or you can just collect them free by playing. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.